Going into the third stanza, what does he plant? Who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood, in love of home and loyalty, and far cast thought of civic good, his blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. A nation's growth from sea to sea stirs in his heart who plants a tree. Here the poet is again asking us the same question. What does he plant who plants a tree? But instead of suggesting more benefits of planting a tree, here the question seems more philosophical. He wants us to think not of the benefits that the tree is giving us, but also the benefits that the society around him is enjoying and how the tree itself is important to us. So, what does he plant who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood. Here it is to say that the poet wants to say that the man who plants a tree for the society around him. The society and everyone around him can get food from the sap and leaf of the tree. The wood of the tree can also be utilized by the people around him and also by the man who plants the tree. Same goes for the food. The food can be utilized by the society around him and also by the one who plants the tree. In love of home and loyalty. Love of home and loyalty. Here the poet says that the man who plants a tree plants it with a sense of loyalty. He also loves his home. Hence he plants a tree. The tree will provide for his family and also loyalty because he is loyal to the universe. He is loyal to his society. He is loyal to his neighborhood and hence he thinks for them. He is concerned about them. So he plants a tree so that not only his family but also the people around him can reap the benefits of the tree. And far cast thought of civic good. The man who is planting a tree is thinking not only about himself but also of the society around him. So it is said that he plants a tree in far cast thought of civic good. He is doing it for the civic good. He is doing it for the people around him. He knows that without trees the land around him will become barren. So he is concerned for the people, for the society, and hence for civic good, for loyalty he plants the tree. His blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. Here you will notice that the H in both these lines is capitalized. This denotes godlike behavior. Here the man who is planting a tree is being compared to God, to having godlike nature or having godlike behavior, because God thinks for all his subjects, he thinks for all the people living. So, and comparatively, the man who is planting a tree also thinks about the people around him, he thinks about his family. So, he plants a tree, and his blessings on the neighborhood is nothing but the tree and its benefits, which is being enjoyed by the neighborhood. So, that is his blessing on the neighborhood, the tree which he has planted. Who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land, meaning tree is essential for growth, tree is essential for everything. Tree is essential for import and export, tree is essential for making paper. In other words, and to summarize, tree is essential for growth and development. So the man who is planting the tree is also holding the key to growth and development for the society and for the nation. A nation's growth from sea to sea. Every nation requires trees to progress. Every nation requires trees to grow their finances, to grow their economy, and most importantly, to survive. So it is said that a nation's growth from sea to sea stirs in his heart who plants a tree. He thinks not only from his brain but also from his heart about his nation's progress. So he plants the tree because he knows that not his nation and all the other nations will require trees to progress, and he plants it so that all the nations may progress. The poet is anxious and he sees that without trees the world will become a barren land, and hence he plants trees uh, because he knows that the growth of the universe is possible only by planting trees. This time I will be highlighting some important phrases, words, and I will be telling you about the meanings. So first, breeze here means cool wind, soft cool winds, and shaft of beauty, like I said earlier, shaft of beauty means a beam of beauty or a tower of beauty. Towering high means growing as high as a tower or reaching the sky. Home to heaven. Home to heaven means home of God, the sky. It references here that is near the sky, high in the sky. Nigh, and I means near to heaven or high up in the sky. And then mother croon of bird, the soft song that the mother bird is singing to her young ones. Mother croon of bird. Hushed means silenced and calm. Hushed, silence and calm. Twilight. It is a faint light at the end of the day after the sun has gone down. Treble. Treble is a high tone in music. Harmony. Harmony means when different music or when different notes when played together make a melodious or pleasant sound. Tender rain means gentle and caring rain. Tender rain, gentle rain. Fade means to wither. Flush means to grow. And here the full sentence, years that fade and flush again, means with each passing year the trees will grow and one day they will die and be replaced by new trees. That is flush again. Here flush again means that the entire forest will grow one when that single tree withers or dies. Heritage. Here the word heritage uh, refers to the features belonging to the culture of a particular society, like traditions, language, beliefs that are passed down from one generation to another. Here the trees are being passed down from one generation to another. Hence it is called the forest's heritage. The harvest of a coming age. Here it references to the forest that has been created and is now a wealth of the future generations. Unborn eyes references to the future generations that are yet to come. Sap. Sap means the liquid through which food is carried out to all the parts of the tree. Loyalty means faithfulness. Forecast, to foresee. Like I said, the poet foresees the good of the society and hence he plants a tree. Civic means well-being of the city or its citizens. Hollow is emptiness. Stirs means excites. There are two major themes in the whole poem. One theme is the importance of trees for our survival, and the another is concern for the future of the earth. Importance of trees for our survival. The poet knows the crucial importance of trees for our survival. The trees cool the atmosphere and cause gentle rain. They are the source of breezes free. The trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen for human beings to inhale. Also, transpiration from the plants is an important process in the Earth's water cycle, which is essential for rain. Trees bear fruits and flowers. The seeds that fall from the plants sprout again and give birth to many new plants. In this way, they create dense forests. These trees will prove as a boon for the future generations. The plants provide us with all essential nutrients for our body. They are the main source of medicine and wood. Wood is very important trade product, we all know, and thus its import and export within country enriches the economy of the nation. Therefore, the poet indirectly requests all human beings to plant trees for the well-being of society. He becomes more anxious and firmly says that the growth of the nation depends on trees. Tree plantation thus indeed is a blessing on the neighborhood. Importance of trees for our survival is basically a summary of all the benefits that the tree is providing us. Concern for the future of the earth, this is another theme of the poem. Here the poem brings forward the poet's concern about the future of the earth. It seems as if the poet could see the impending destruction and thus indirectly appeals to the readers to plant trees, not only for themselves but also for the future generation, that is, for the unborn eyes that are yet to come. According to the poet, our survival is greatly dependent on trees. Trees not only beautify the environment, but purify air, cause rain, provide us with wood, timber, fruits, and medicines. The one who plants a tree plants the entire forest, like I explained when I was explaining the stanza. The forest is a harvest of the coming age. Without trees, the world will become a deserted barren land and all living beings would face hunger. Thus, it is the tree which is responsible for the growth of mankind. The poet seems to be anxious about the unborn eyes and thus for their survival, growth, and development. He suggests a simple solution, that is to plant trees. Another important thing here is the justification of the title. The title Heart of the Tree is an appropriate title because the heart is one of the most important organs in the entire human body. Similarly, the tree is a very important asset in the human society. Like the human heart pumps blood which carries all the vital materials and nutrients, the tree provides oxygen. The sky, it takes in carbon dioxide and provides us with oxygen, just like the heart does. The heart pumps the blood and is able to transport oxygen from one part of the body to another. The tree is very essential for the survival of the human society, just like the heart is essential for the survival of the human body. Apart from the carbon dioxide thing, the trees cause rainfall and trees are essential for the harvest of the coming age. Trees like the human heart provide us with sap and leaf and wood. That is all the required minerals, nutrients, materials and things. According to the poet, the one who plants tree plants seed and bud of days to be. That is, the tree itself can be compared to the heart. The heart maintains human life and the tree maintains the life of the human society. The heart here thus signifies the most important quality of the tree. It can be concluded that the title is appropriate as the poem is about the tree and their importance for the survival of the mankind.